Hi everyone, my name is Jane. I'm going to show you the treble stitch, and as with the double crochet video we're going to end up with 10 stitches. In order to end up with 10 stitches we need to do 12 chain, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We don't count the loop on the hook, that's our working stitch. Now the first stitch goes into the 4th chain from the hook, and this is one I made earlier. And this has got 6 rows, so it shows you how deep these rows are in comparison to the double crochet, so that's how you get the depth. And there again, like with the double crochet, the strand on the left shows you've got right side facing. So you can count the rows of the treble very easily, because these trebles are called posts.